Hi, I'm Amber from Amber's Craft Week blog, and welcome back to the Heyday Challenge, where we go through various pages of the book Heyday and do activities relating to them. Now, I wanted to do some sort of video for you for the end of February, but the last, I think, 6 pages are all about making your own band, and I have no musical talent. So instead of making a band, I went earlier into the book. So at the beginning of February, there's this little conversation between the authors. And so, it's the month you love, it's the month of pink and orange. Orange, wondered Kiva. Yes, orange, snapped Clea. Orange? Questioned Kiva again. Every month is the month of orange, silly, replied Clea, who was always right. Well, not always. And I had added a little post-it note here that said, the month of pink and orange, maybe throw a pink and orange party. February 25th also happens to be my sister Katie's birthday, and her favorite color is orange. So I thought it might be fun to use the pink and orange inspiration to make a party hat. For this project, you will need some black cardstock for your party hat, some orange cardstock, some pink ribbon. If you don't have pink ribbon on hand, you could use cardstock instead, some scissors, a pencil, some glue, a ruler or straight edge of some form, and a pink or orange pom-pom. You'll also need to print off a party hat template. There are tons that are freely available online, and I'll link to one in my description. The first thing we need to do is cut out a party hat shape from the black cardstock. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to mark out a fold line. So I'm going to take the ruler and line it up so the bottom of our ruler or straight edge is touching the very tip where the hat ends, and the other one's extended out kind of like this. And we're just going to take our pencil and draw a line going all the way down. I'm just going to go ahead and fold the flap now. So we're just going to follow the pencil line and create a crease there. And we're going to fold it first this way so we get the crease, general crease shape, and then we're going to fold it the other way so the pencil line will be hidden. So then we have a nice little flap. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my orange cardstock. I want the stripes to be about the width of this ruler, so I'm just going to go ahead and line this up along the bottom edge. And then take my pencil and once this is lined up, we're just going to trace. Now if you have a die cutting machine like I do, you could use that to go ahead and cut out your lines to save yourself some time. But I figured I'd do this on camera so you could see the process. Now that we've drawn out all our lines, the next thing we have to do is cut them out. And so now we have all our paper stripes cut out. From here we're going to glue alternating strips of ribbon and orange cardstock along the party hat. Now we're going to let the party hat dry for a few, and then we're going to go ahead and trim the excess ribbon and paper away from the edges. Okay, so the glue isn't totally dry yet, but this is going to be one of those do as I say, not as I do moments, because I'm really trying to get through this. The reason why you don't want to cut this out while it's wet is if you have glue that has gone over the edges, it can get on your scissors. So, but I get out the bad, kind of evil kitchen scissors that don't work as well, so it's okay if they get a little gummed up with glue. Now we have our basic party hat shape cut out. The next thing we have to do is glue it together. So we're going to kind of form it into a cone shape. and then glue down the flap. Alright, so now we have a party hat shape. Now we just need to add the pom-pom. So we're gonna, let's see. I'm gonna take a little glue, add it to the top here, and then just add on the pom-pom. And now we have a party hat. It probably also would be a good idea to get some elastic and a hole punch so you can actually have the party hat holding onto something instead of just resting on top of your head like I have it. But yeah, that's how you make a party hat. Okay, I don't even know if it's completely in frame. Let's see if I can bend down so you can see the whole thing. There's my hat. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd love it if you give it a like. If you want to see more videos in the Heyday series, then you may want to subscribe. If you want to see more crafts in general, you can check out my craft blog, amberscraftweek.blogspot.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day!